I'm going to show you how to copy data and it automatically have borders on it on the destination sheet. I have simple numbers here that I'm copying from one sheet to the other. On the second sheet I already have my heading names here. And so now we're going to go look at the code. And so the code is pretty simple. It's basically I'm just naming fields and copying them to the other sheet. What I'm doing on the other sheet though is I am auto-fitting the 3 columns that I'm heading into, and then this line here, range borders line style equals XL continuous dot color is Visual Basic black, and the weight is thin, and then next. And so then so you can see my screen here. So let's just run this code and you'll see that it gives you borders. So I'm going to click the run button, and so there you see all of my numbers are auto fit into the columns, and they all have thin borders around them. So that's how you create automatic borders when you copy data. Please subscribe.